How to get your timesheet signed in the Red Parrot Staff App. Hi! In this video, I'll show you how to get your timesheet signed in the Red Parrot Staff App. Shifts are assigned to you through the app. Once you've completed your shift, go to the dashboard. Tap on your next shift using the clock icon, or you can access the same information from the bookings menu. Select the completed shift. Then tap on Get Signature. Before proceeding, make sure all details are correct, including the shift date, start time, end time, and break time. If needed, you can adjust the start time, end time, or break time. You can also add any notes in the comments section. Next, ask the authorized person to fill in their details, including their name and position, and sign the timesheet. After that, you'll need to sign it yourself. Once everything is completed, tap Submit. You'll then see a confirmation message. And that's it. Your timesheet has been signed and submitted successfully.